Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Today, we're exploring a topic affecting millions worldwide: high blood pressure. Often referred to as the silent killer, high blood pressure can lead to serious health complications if left unchecked. This video will explore high blood pressure, its causes, and its implications for overall health. We'll start by breaking down the basics. What exactly is high blood pressure, and how is it measured? Then we'll discuss the various factors contributing to this condition, from lifestyle choices to genetic predispositions. Understanding these underlying reasons is crucial for anyone looking to take control of their health. But it's not just about the numbers. We'll also delve into the potential consequences of high blood pressure, including heart disease, stroke, and kidney problems. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of why monitoring your blood pressure is so important and how you can make informed decisions to manage it effectively. So, whether you've been diagnosed with high blood pressure or are simply looking to learn more about this common health issue, you're in the right place. Get ready to uncover the real reasons behind high blood pressure and discover practical tips to keep your heart healthy. Let's get started on this journey to better health together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The real reason behind your high blood pressure. Understanding the underlying causes of high blood pressure is essential for effective management. One of the most significant contributors is lifestyle factors. Let's start with diet. A diet high in sodium, processed foods, and unhealthy fats can lead to elevated blood pressure levels. Conversely, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help keep your blood pressure in check. Stress is another major player. In our fast-paced world, chronic stress can trigger hormonal changes that raise blood pressure. Whether work-related pressures or personal challenges, finding healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or hobbies, can make a significant difference. Genetics also plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation. If you have a family history of hypertension, you may be more predisposed to developing it yourself. Understanding your genetic background can help you take proactive steps to monitor and manage your blood pressure. Moreover, modern living conditions can exacerbate hypertension. Sedentary lifestyles, increased screen time, and urban environments filled with noise and pollution can all contribute to higher blood pressure levels. The convenience of fast food and the lack of physical activity in our daily routines further complicate the issue. By recognizing diet, stress, genetics, and modern living conditions, you can take informed steps toward better blood pressure management. The following sections discuss practical strategies to combat these issues and promote a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned! The miracle spice naturally lowers high blood pressure and much more. Did you know some common spices can work wonders when managing high blood pressure? Let's talk about two powerhouse spices, turmeric and cinnamon. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve blood vessel function and lower blood pressure. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is known to enhance insulin sensitivity and may help reduce blood pressure levels as well. Incorporating these spices into your daily meals is more accessible. For turmeric, try adding it to your morning smoothie, soups, or even scrambled eggs for a vibrant color and flavor boost. You can also make a delicious turmeric tea by simmering it with water and a splash of lemon. As for cinnamon, sprinkle it on your oatmeal, yogurt, or favorite baked goods. It's a simple way to add sweetness without the sugar. However, the benefits of these spices continue beyond blood pressure control. Turmeric is also linked to improved brain health and reduced risk of chronic diseases, while cinnamon has antioxidant properties that can help fight inflammation and support heart health. Making these spices a regular diet allows you to manage your blood pressure and enhance your overall well-being. So why spice up your meals today? Your heart will thank you. How high blood pressure harms your body. High blood pressure, often called hypertension, can have severe and detrimental effects on your health if left untreated. One of the most significant risks associated with high blood pressure is heart disease. When your blood pressure is consistently elevated, it puts extra strain on your heart, leading to conditions such as coronary artery disease, heart failure, and even heart attacks. Another critical concern is the increased risk of stroke. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in your brain, making them more susceptible to blockages or ruptures. This can result in a stroke, which can have life-altering consequences, including paralysis or cognitive impairment. Kidney damage is yet another severe consequence of untreated hypertension. The kidneys are vital in filtering waste from your blood, and high blood pressure can impair their function over time. This can lead to chronic kidney disease, which may eventually require dialysis or a kidney transplant. Given these risks, it's crucial to monitor your blood pressure regularly. Many people with high blood pressure may not experience any symptoms, which is why it's often called the silent killer. Regular checkups can help you catch any changes early and take action before serious complications arise. The long-term consequences of untreated hypertension can be devastating, affecting not just your heart and brain, but your overall quality of life. By understanding these risks and prioritizing your health, you can take proactive steps to manage your blood pressure and protect your body from harm. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. Say goodbye to your high blood pressure medication. Avocado seed tea. Consider avocado seed tea if you're looking for a natural remedy to help manage high blood pressure. While most people toss avocado seeds without a second thought, these seeds are packed with nutrients and health benefits that can support cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and potassium, avocado seeds can help lower blood pressure and improve overall heart function. Making avocado seed tea is simple and can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Start by removing the seed from a ripe avocado and rinsing it thoroughly to remove any flesh. Next, let the seed dry completely, taking a day or two. Once dry, you can grate or chop the seed into smaller pieces. To prepare the tea, boil about 2 cups of water and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of the grated seed. Let it simmer for 10-15 minutes, then strain the mixture into a cup. You can sweeten it with honey or add lemon for extra flavor. Encouraging viewers to explore natural alternatives to medication is essential. While it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your treatment plan, incorporating natural remedies like avocado seed tea can benefit your lifestyle. By embracing these alternatives, you may find a holistic approach to managing your blood pressure that works for you. So why give avocado seed tea a try? Your heart may thank you for it. Take your blood pressure under control. Effectively managing your blood pressure is crucial for maintaining overall health, and you can take several practical steps to achieve this. First and foremost, consider making lifestyle changes that can have a significant impact. A heart-healthy diet is essential. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins while reducing sodium intake. Foods rich in potassium, like bananas and spinach, can also help balance blood pressure levels. Exercise is another vital component. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Regular physical activity helps lower blood pressure and improves overall cardiovascular health. Additionally, consider the power of stress management. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress levels, which in turn can positively affect your blood pressure. Regular checkups and monitoring of your blood pressure are essential for staying healthy. Make it a habit to check your blood pressure at home or during doctor visits and record your readings. This will help you and your healthcare provider identify trends and adjust your management plan. Lastly, remember the importance of community support and resources. Engaging with support groups, whether in person or online, can encourage and share experiences that make managing blood pressure easier. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Having a solid support system can make all the difference. Take charge of your health today. Understanding and managing high blood pressure is essential, as it can lead to severe conditions like heart disease, stroke, and kidney damage if left untreated. We discussed various lifestyle factors that contribute to hypertension, including diet, stress, and the impact of modern living conditions. We also introduced some natural remedies, such as the benefits of spices like turmeric and cinnamon, and even the surprising advantages of avocado seed tea. These options can be valuable additions to your health regimen, helping you manage your blood pressure more effectively. Remember, small changes in your daily routine, like improving your diet, increasing physical activity, and practicing stress management techniques, can significantly improve your overall well-being. Now is the time to take action. We encourage you to explore these natural remedies and lifestyle changes to help control your blood pressure. Regular monitoring and checkups with your healthcare provider are also crucial in this journey. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more health-related content. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from learning about high blood pressure management. We can spread awareness and empower others to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.